To swap receiver wires, you have to know which is right and left. Good thing they're color-coded. You'll also need the receiver wire tool, which came with your box. Your right hearing aid will have red tabs on it. So will your right receiver wire. The left hearing aid has blue tabs. Step 1. Removing the right receiver wire. Hold your right hearing aid in your non-dominant hand with the tail facing up towards the ceiling, the program button, or fin, facing away from you, and the belly of the hearing aid facing towards you. Locate the divot or red tab attached to the receiver wire. Using your receiver wire tool or fingernail, press down on the red tab. As you press down, gently pull the wire towards you until it dislodges. Once removed, set it aside. Step 2. Removing the left receiver wire. Locate the blue tab instead of the red one. Press down on the blue tab, pull the wire towards you, and remove it. Set it aside. Step 3. Swapping the receiver wires. Take the blue receiver wire, the left one, and insert it into the right hearing aid. Now, take your right hearing aid, which now has the left receiver wire on it, and place it in your left ear. Step 4. Testing the sound. You will hear an error tune due to the swapped receivers. This is normal. Perform a scratch test by gently rubbing the top of the hearing aid where the microphone ports are. Alternatively, you can play music or make a phone call if your hearing aid is connected to a compatible phone. Analyze the results. If you hear the scratch or streaming audio normally, the issue is with your right receiver wire. If you still don't hear normally, the issue is likely with your right hearing aid unit. Step 5. Swapping the wires back. Remove the swapped wires and return them to their original sides. The red tab, or right wire, goes back into the right hearing aid, and the blue tab, the left wire, goes back into the left hearing aid. After that, if you still need assistance, contact our care team by chat or email, telling us the results of your test, indicating you have completed cleaning and the receiver swap test. And please send along your current shipping address in case our team needs to send any replacement supplies.